Welcome back dosto. Today I am going to share with you my winter view of my garden, urban garden, which is in rooftop. Here all you are show the Chandramallika flowers in winter. All are started flowering. See, flower was started to come. It's looking very beautiful. Yes, now it's season. It's Chandramallika. The flower name is Chandramallika. Look at the views, guys. The white Chandramallika is looking gorgeous. In this video, I am going to share with my winter view of my garden and the flowers, vegetables which are grown this times in winter season. Now this time is December you can grow this kind of flowers, vegetables. I'm going to share with you. Kindly please watch my video. At the video end I will share the full view of my garden. Look at the flower. It's looking very nice and very good. The green and pink and blue and red. The flower is full of garden is full of flowers. And watch people, tomato, already it's tomato plants. It is in a bag, growing bags. I cultivated it. Yeah, this is a bottle gourd plant, lau in called in Bengali. Bottle gourd. It's now started flowers and also started grow. Enjoy the view, people. Yeah, the full look. Here is a bedana. It's bedana fruits also. Yeah, I will show every plant. I will share with you the view of this each plant, and please enjoy this view of this flower. It's pinkish flower. This is marigold plant, beautifully grow, and yellow marigold. Enjoy the view, guys. It also the plant was started flowering. Yeah, the color, wow, wonderful.